Hi everyone, welcome back to the part 4 of latest technology updates on quantum computing. Quantum computing is one of the most revolutionary and complex areas in modern technology. Though still it's in early stages, it holds the potential to transform industries by solving problems that are currently intractable to classical computers. What is quantum computing? Quantum computing uses the principle of quantum mechanics like superposition, entanglement, and quantum interfaces to process information in fundamentally different ways than classical computers. Why it matters? Quantum computers can potentially solve problems that would like classic computer millions of years, such as breaking modern cryptography, simulating molecules for drug discovery, optimizing logistics and supply chains, solving complex equations in physics and finance. So, current tools and platform for quantum computing, that is IBM Quantum, that is called as Qiskit, Google Quantum AI, and Microsoft Azure Quantum, D-Wave systems focused on quantum annealing. Thank you. Subscribe my channel.